we have an exclusive Galaxy A. Fold 5 leak as live images reveal a major design upgrade. This could be music to potential Z Fold 5 owners. The Z Fold 5 is expected to be unveiled later this month at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event in Seoul, South Korea, and this news is probably the best yet we have seen. Prior leaks have not really, let's say, flattered the new and upcoming foldable. Samsung. Previous leaks have shown basically the only major upgrade to the upcoming Z Fold 5 was to the processor. It is supposed to be rocking the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 that we see in the S23 Ultra. Now, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 was one of the best folding smartphones of 2022, and many are expecting Samsung to deliver yet another winner with its successor this year. The company is expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 5 later this month, and multiple leaks over the past few weeks have already revealed quite a bit about it, including its key specifications. Now, new hot off the press images have revealed a key design upgrade that could potentially make the Z Fold 5 way more desirable than its predecessor. Images have seemingly revealed that the biggest differentiator between the Fold 4 and the Fold 5 in terms of their design could be the latter's hinge. The images were saved by us here at at&t Studios, and they seem to show that the new hinge will close almost completely flat when the phone is folded up. If the images are authentic, it could mean a massive improvement with the upcoming device when compared to the Z Fold 4 and earlier foldables, which have a considerable gap in between when folded up. It will be interesting to see if Samsung will use a similar hinge with the Z Flip 5 as well, which could bring some much needed design improvements to that device as well. Troll Day TPA Dark 40 files in works cans are definitely welcome. It's unclear whether this will help reduce the on-screen crease that has long been one of the major issues with foldable smartphones. Meanwhile, it's not all good news for the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to other tips, the device may not come with an official IP58 rating for dust and water resistance. This will be highly disappointing for potential buyers, as earlier rumors suggested that both the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 will be IP58 dust and water resistant. Either way, the upcoming foldables are still shaping up to be among the best premium devices this year. So it will be interesting to see how they will compete with the likes of the Pixel Fold and the upcoming OnePlus V Fold in the coming months. The foldable we have our eyes set on is the OnePlus V Fold, as that will not only have top tier specs, but it will also look and feel like a real smartphone from the front that fold out into a tablet. Very stylish. Very powerful. That sounds like a winning combination to us. Thanks for viewing the at&t Studios YouTube channel. Remember, we just activated memberships as well as our merchandise. We sell cases for iPhone and Samsung Galaxy, as well as shirts. Stay tuned for the latest and greatest news and reviews in the mobile technology world. We out.